PLBY stock analysis and Playboy stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade this, because with Plby Group, it's great performance. 32% up is very sick. All I'm looking to do is double down on this. You know, notice how last time I made a prediction, I never got my confirmation and then just kind of went out for a tad bit, never delivered towards the highs, crashed down. That's what I call a break even as well. And when I see the price doing this, this is phenomenal. So what I'm going to do is unmark up the top. I like this, you know, so how this is going to look like is only if the price does pull down and does show me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to take it up and buy. But randomly getting involved, man, is not going to be happening. So I'm definitely sure thing going to continue to keep you updated. But I'm praying for pull downs a bit, you know, like I'm not talking that this must break the gray zone, it must tap it. No, just some little pull down so I can kind of get myself involved, but not forcing. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.